In the last video, we have discussed about Android Studio and how to create project in the Android Studio. If you haven't watched this video, then I have given link of this video in the description box. So watch this, and in this video we will talk about coding. So let's get started. In activity.main.xml, we design our app. This is our page. So let's start with coding. First, you need to change constant layout to relative layout, because relative layout will give you better performance than constant layout. Either this text view. Now you can see we get blank page. So we required buttons, so you simply need to drag and drop over this page. In this app we are going to use 16 buttons. Adjust all the buttons. We also require two text view. First text view for first number and second text view for result. Adjust it very properly. Change ID of button 1. So this is our first number, so we change ID to btn1 and change text to 1. Do same for all the buttons. Change ID to btn2 and text to 2. Okay, I forgot to change the text, so change text to 1. Now you can see we get 1 and 2 button. Do same for all the buttons. This is our division button, so we change ID to btn-div because it is very understandable for us. Okay, I have already done it. This is our clear button. Then this is our 0 button. So change ID to btn0. Change text to 0. This is our equal button. So change text to btn equal. And last one is our subtraction button. So change ID to btn sub. Okay, you can see we are done with all the buttons. So change text to. So let's start with text to button. So in the first text we change ID to TV control and change text to keep it blank. this result and keep text blank. Okay, you can do with XML coding, and you can do simply drag and drop. Drag and drop is very easy than coding. So we set padding to 1 dp, and we are going to change background to green. Okay, now you can see. So you can see size of text is very small, so we will increase little bit. So change size of buttons to 20 sp. Do the same for all the buttons and text view. Copy it and just paste over all the buttons. Okay, after doing this, you can see, okay, this look like very perfectly. Okay, now we are done with our XML coding.